One small survey programming mistake can silently destroy thousands of responses. I have seen projects lose weeks of fieldwork because of one logic error. So, what's the worst part? Most of these mistakes are not obvious until the data is already collected. In this video, I'll break down the top 3 survey programming errors that ruin data quality and how to prevent them before launch. The first and most common mistake is broken skip logic. Skip logic controls where respondents go based on their answers. When this logic is even slightly incorrect, respondents see questions they should never see or miss questions they must answer. For example, if question 1 asks, "Do you own a car?" and someone selects no, but your logic mistakenly routes them into the car usage section. Now you are collecting mileage data from non car owners. That's not just a small error that completely compromises segmentation and reporting. To prevent this, test every possible answer path manually, create structured test cases, and never launch without running a soft test with real sample data. The second mistake is incorrect piping or embedded data setup. Piping is when previous answers are inserted dynamically into later questions. When configured incorrectly, respondents may see blank fields, wrong product names, or broken personalization. Imagine this question: how satisfied are you with product name? If the variable doesn't populate correctly, it might show empty brackets or the wrong product name. That reduces trust instantly and increases drop-off rates. To prevent this, always preview with real test inputs. Double check variable names and validate embedded data before fielding. The third and most damaging mistake is incomplete testing. Many programmers test only the happy path. They answer normally and assume everything works. But real respondents don't follow predictable patterns. You must test every logic branch, every quota condition, loop and merge structures, screen outs, and especially mobile responsiveness. One untested edge case can prematurely terminate respondents or break quotas midfield. Once the survey is live and collecting responses, fixing errors becomes expensive and sometimes impossible without discarding data.